Good morning, students. Yesterday we will learn the different types of salts and hydrolysis of salts. First, hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. Second, hydrolysis of salt of strong base, weak acid. Third one, the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and strong base. And fourth one is the hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. But in last hydrolysis, that is the hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base, last point, you remember, there is given point for weak acid and weak base. If Ka is greater than Kb, then acidic in nature. If Kb is greater than Ka, then basic in nature. And both Ka and Kb are the equals, then that is the neutral in nature. Depending upon that, this concept is given in this class. So in this class, first question, explain the salt of weak acid and weak base, for which Ka is greater than Kb. What? Ka is greater than Kb, then the salt of weak acid and weak base is in which nature? That can be explained. For that purpose, here answer, consider what? Consider a salt NH4F, ammonium fluoride. What? Ammonium fluoride of weak acid HF, having the dissociation constant Ka is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, and weak base NH4OH, having the dissociation constant Kb 1.8 10 raised to the power minus 5. In this salt, the dissociation constant of Ka is slightly greater than dissociation constant of Kb by given values. Second point, here Ka greater than Kb, again that salt is hydrolyzed. Salt is hydrolyzed, means what? NH4F is dissolved in water. Hydrolyzed, dissolved in water. Whenever this NH4F, ammonium fluoride, dissolved in water, then it gives NH4 plus cations and F minus ions. By ionizing it, gives the NH4OH, means what? OH minus combines with NH4 to form the NH4OH, weak base, ammonium hydroxide, and hydrogen ion combines with fluorine to form the HF, weak acid. So we get the NH4OH, weak base, and HF is the weak acid by dissolving in water. The acid HF is slightly stronger than base NH4OH. Hydrofluoric acid is slightly stronger than base NH4OH. Why? Because both the dissociation constant value is already given. It is more stronger than this. Then these ions, NH4 plus and F minus ions, these two ions of salt reacts with water separately. Both cations and anions of the given salt can react with water independently. First, NH4 plus dissolved in water to give the NH4OH and hydronium ion. Whenever the NH4 plus ion dissolved in water to give the ammonium hydroxide and hydronium ion, put that equation number first. In first equation we get the hydronium ions. In second, fluorine ions dissolved in water to produce HF, hydrofluoric acid, weak acid, and hydroxyl ions. Put that equation number second. these NH4 plus ions hydrolyze slightly greater extent than the F minus ions. Again, NH4 plus ions hydrolyze slightly greater than fluorine ions. Hence, more hydronium ion H3O plus ions than hydroxyl ions. Hydronium ions are more obtained than hydroxyl ions produced in reaction. Therefore, the solution of NH4 is acidic in nature. Why solution is acidic in nature? Because we get more hydronium ions than that of the hydroxyl ion. Therefore, it is acidic in nature, having the pH less than 7, and it turns blue litmus paper into red color. So this is the acidic in nature due to more strength of dissociation constant of acid than that of the base. Then see the next derivation. Explain the salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base for which Kb is greater than Ka. Salt is same, weak acid and weak base, but where Kb is greater than Ka. Dissociation constant of base is greater than dissociation constant of acid. For that purpose, we can take the salt, consider the salt NH4Cl, ammonium cyanide salt. Ammonium cyanide salt of weak acid HCl, hydrocyanic acid, having the dissociation constant value 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 10, 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 10, and weak base ammonium hydroxide having the dissociation constant 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. By comparing these two values, 4 10 to the power minus 10 and 1.8 10 to the power minus 5, then Kb is greater than that of the Ka. Kb is greater than that of the Ka. Here Kb is greater than Ka when NH4Cl, ammonium cyanide, dissolved in water. The given salt, ammonium cyanide, dissolved in water, it hydrolyzes, breaks up in water to use the NH4 plus Cl minus ions, can deepen in aqueous solution to use the NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, and hydrocyanic acid, hydrogen cyanide, hydrocyanic acid. Both are the weak base and weak acid. The base NH4OH is stronger than acid HCl. The base NH4OH is stronger than acid HCl. These two ions means what? NH4 plus and Cl minus. These two ions of salt reacts with water independently. Ions of NH4Cl, that is NH4 plus and Cl minus, can react with water independently. Then it gives ammonium hydroxide base and hydrocyanic acid. But in first equation, in NH4OH, it gives hydronium ion, that is equation first. And in second equation, cyanide reacts with water to use the hydroxyl ion, OH minus ions. The Cl ions, cyanide ions, hydrolyzes slightly greater extent than the NH4 plus ions. Hence, more OH minus ions than H3O plus hydronium ions. These OH minus ions greater than that of the hydronium ions produced in reactions. Therefore, solution of NH4Cl, solution becomes basic in nature, because in this solution hydroxyl ions are greater than that of the hydronium ion. Therefore, it is a basic in nature and turns red litmus paper into blue color. So the salt of weak acid and weak base for Kb greater than Ka can shows the basic in nature. Then see the last explanation. Explain the salt of weak acid and weak base for which both Ka is equal to Kb. Third derivation. In this derivation or explanation, both values of dissociation constant of acid and base are the same, equals. For that purpose, here consider a salt CH3 COO NH4. Salt CH3 COO NH4 ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate is made up from weak acid, acetic acid is made up from weak acid, acetic acid CH3COOH, having the dissociation constant value 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, and weak base NH4OH, having the value of dissociation constant 1.8 10 raised to the power minus 5. We taking the salt ammonium acetate is the mixture of weak acid, acetic acid, and weak base ammonium hydroxide, both having dissociation constant value is same, that is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Then this salt is dissolved in water. This salt, given salt, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium acetate salt dissolved in water. The salt ammonium acetate, dissolved in water, to hydrolyze as follows. Whenever this salt dissolved in water, then hydrolyze as follows. How? By breaking, it gives CH3COO acetate ions in aqueous solution plus NH4 plus aqueous plus H2O water aqueous to produces CH3COOH acetic acid plus NH4OH, acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide. Acetic acid is the weak acid and it is the weak base. So the salt is of weak acid and weak base. Again, these both ions reacts separately in aqueous solutions. Both these ions reacts aqueous solutions. These ions of salt reacts with water as follows. These both ions react separately with water, such as CH3COO minus acetate ions plus H2O to gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus OH minus, putting that equation number first, it produces hydroxyl ions plus NH4 plus ions plus 2H2O, then it gives the NH4OH ammonium hydroxide plus H3O plus ions, by it gives the equation number second. Whenever these two ions dissolved separately in water. Firstly, this acetate ions gives the hydroxyl ion, while ammonium ion gives the hydronium ions. So in this equation, or in this reaction, both OH minus and H3O plus ions. In this reaction, both OH minus and H3O plus ions are equal because Ka is equal to Kb. Why OH and H3O plus are equal? Because Ka, dissociation constant of acid and dissociation constant of base, both values are similar. Therefore, these hydroxyl ion and hydronium ions are the same. Hence, this solution of ammonium acetate is neutral in nature. Ammonium acetate solution is the neutral in nature and does not have the action of litmus paper. Litmus paper does not have the actions because the solution is the neutral in nature. Likewise, that explain the both weak acids and weak base for which Kb's values are similar or different. Then that solution is acidic or basic in nature by different ways. So in this class, we learn the different salts of acids and base having the dissociation constants values are different or